This Century 21 Results Property video is presented by Teresa Saraceni. Absolutely stunning 2.4-acre parcel of land with breathtaking views of the rolling countryside. Situated in a small, upscale community of custom homes in Pickens County, this development offers a perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. Just a short drive from Jasper, residents have easy access to essential amenities like shopping and medical services. Embodying the essence of an upscale mountain community, this project provides a serene environment while remaining easily accessible. With no HOA fees but deed restrictions in place to preserve property value, residents can enjoy the benefits of Pickens County water and high-speed fiber optic internet. Each residence will be uniquely tailored to maximize the stunning natural features of this property. If you seek acreage in a secluded yet accessible location, within a close-knit community, this opportunity is tailor-made for you. This home boasts a completely unique custom floor plan. The front elevation is one of a kind, featuring a large brick gable that gracefully sweeps to the ground and a faux fireplace with a herringbone brick pattern. Inside, the space is warm and inviting, blending comfort with cutting-edge design. The kitchen is a standout with a range inside the faux fireplace, a spacious island, and a cozy breakfast nook. Separating the nook and living room is a staircase surrounded by windows on all three sides, leading down to the terrace level. The owner's suite is a retreat, complete with a fireplace, a spacious bathroom, and a large closet. For more information, review the details below or contact Teresa Saraceni at 678-910-3599.